Hello everyone, my name is Chuan Kang, and today I'll be showing you around our app called Mindful. So Mindful is actually a centralized system whereby both the staff, the volunteers, as well as the caregiver interact on these centralized platforms to manage the events, update any form of particulars, as well as to basically handle all the administrative sides and centralize everything to make it a lot easier for all stakeholders to coordinate events and to contact each other, basically. So this part of the web page is actually just for the team or for us to actually have an easy toggle to the three different stakeholders. But in actuality, when the app is deployed, the staff will be seeing their own dashboards as well as the volunteers and the caregivers. So as a staff, when you were to log in into this app, you would be given a brief overview of all events created over here. So in this case, we have three different examples created here. And for every particular event, there are different sessions that you can create as well. And they have different statuses, whether it's open or whether it's finished, as well as the relevant data and the details of the particular events as well. Participants, volunteers, as well as the dates and the timings. Okay, and we do have information for the volunteers and the participants as well. Another key feature that I would be explaining to you in more detail would be the Chatroom function. Basically, this allows for the staff to actually coordinate and to talk to the volunteers as well as the caregivers on a centralized app, which negates any need for the staff to actually take this to another platform. Okay. On the volunteer side, we do see that they can actually access how many sessions that they have registered and events that they've completed and the number of hours as well. They are also prompted what kind of sessions that they have registered for and the available sessions that they could potentially register for as well. And likewise, there is this chat function to also interact with the staff members in case if they need any other further information for the events. Lastly, for the caregiver side, so our assumption as a team, we believe that the caregivers are the ones who will be doing the registering for the events. And henceforth, some caregivers could be managing more than one participant. In this case, for this particular example, John the caregiver is managing two participants here, Alex Johnson and Bobby Smith. And for the participants to register for events, it's the same thing as the volunteers. They can just scroll down and take a look at some of these events that they could register for. And same thing, they will also be in a group chat with the staff as well. And this is basically just what kind of events that they have registered for already. And they could also make special requests for any of these particular events as well. Okay, so this is just a brief overview of our app. We built a Singpass verification system whereby the different stakeholders are able to log in into different profiles through Singpass. So one of our main features is actually this chat room function. So the way this chat room works is that once the staff creates an event, it will automatically update and create a chat room that is particular to that particular event. This chat room will consist of members from the staff side, the volunteer side, as well as the caregiver side. So let me show you a demo right now. So this is the staff dashboard. And if I was going to create a project or rather an event, let's say Christmas with Minds at Farrer Court. So Christmas with Minds. And this will be a short description. So let's say just a Christmas gathering. This will be at Minds Court. And you can actually input in our actual city over here. So I'm just gonna put in some random numbers. Okay, I'm gonna create an event. So once you create an event, you do need to create additional sessions because a particular event could have many different sessions. So just pick it for a particular date and a particular start timing and particular end timing. And then we add session. So as you can see, once you create this session, automatically we will then create three different chats. One for announcements, one for coordination with the volunteers, as well as one for coordination with the caregivers. So at announcements, as you can see, there's only one member because only one staff is actually creating this event. So as a staff, you can then disseminate an announcement. Hello, everybody. And send it. Okay, I'm gonna leave the staff POV first and show you how it looks like from a volunteer's point of view. So as a volunteer, when you log in into your demo page, you will then see the different available sessions that are available for you to register. In this case, Christmas with Minds is available, and I'm going to register for the event. And as you can see, once I register for the event, I will be automatically added into the group chat Christmas with Minds under announcements, as well as the volunteer coordination. And over here, I can also acknowledge the message as well. Okay, I'm going to now toggle to the caregivers POV. So for the caregivers, when I want to register for an event, let's say Christmas with Minds, I will then have I then be previewed all these informations about the events. So I can register for different kinds of participants because to our knowledge, a caregiver could be taking care of multiple different participants. So let's say in this case, I want to register Alice Johnson. And now she's registered. And now she's in the group chat, in the announcements as well. And as you can see, it will reflect the messages of everybody from the admin staff to the volunteer. And this is our Chatroom feature. So another feature that we have created is actually this clashing detection system feature. How does this work? Is that this prevents both the participants as well as the volunteers from double booking any events. So let me show you how it's done. So let's say I have Jane, the volunteer, who is registered for this leadership skills workshop event on the 20th of January from this particular timing. If she were to accidentally sign up for another event, let's say in this case the food distribution event at from 8 o'clock to 12, realize that there's this clashing involved, and henceforth she cannot register for this session. So the app we created actually allows for this automatic detection of clashing events. So this prevents her from actually double booking two different events on the same time slot. And also, it also tells you what slot is actually taken up already. In this case here, it shows you that it is the workshop leadership skills event. For the caregiver side, let's say I have Alice Johnson, okay, and Alice Johnson is going to sign up for, let's say, a community cleanup drive, okay, on the 25th of January. Okay, and let's say she's going to sign up for a food distribution event as well. So on the 20th of January as well. Okay, and she also wants to sign up for the workshop leadership skills workshop. You realize that, oh, there is a schedule clash detection as the food distribution event actually coincides with the timing for the leadership skills event.